Uh, Hello everyone. In the previous video I showed how to connect HDMI splitter to my Sony soundbar Sony HD-S20R. Okay, the soundbar is here and the subwoofer and the rear pair is at the back side. Yeah, I show you how to connect this splitter to my laptop, and the splitter is connected to Sony HD-S20R through optical cable, and the optical cable is selected in the settings. Okay, I don't get signals from HDMI to the soundbar. I will get the input signal through optical cable. So for that, select TV option inside the subwoofer. Okay, after that I showed you how to get Dolby True HD to Dolby Digital Plus. In this video, I will show you how to get DTS to Dolby Digital. Okay, the same player we are going to use. The player's name is Pot Player. Okay, I have some clips. I will play that later. For that, go to audio, use built-in audio transform and turn on this thing. In audio processing settings, note this settings carefully. Okay, everything is do the same. Okay, after doing this, click OK. And another thing is go to filter. Filter turn to this thing to on. Okay, and go to manage filter, built-in pass-through. Disable everything except AC3. AC3 is Dolby Digital, EAC3 is Dolby Digital Plus, and True HD DTS HD. Okay, after you doing this, click OK. Now this is the DTS video. It will showing at the down bottom DTS sound format. Now I am going to playing the DTS sound format into Dolby Digital. You can see in the current info as Dolby Digital.
What the hell? Dude, how did you do that?
Apparently I am a parasite.
Do not let him get away. You understand, Tracy? Copy. Weapons are armed and ready. Launch the drone.
All speakers are working.
Should be on 18th as was possible.
Okay, and I have another DTS format, and I will show how it's playing. This is also DTS. DTS is converted into Dolby Digital. Okay, I showed everything, and I have to show one more thing. If you have 2.1 signal, if you have 2.1 audio such as MP3, you can convert that into Dolby Digital in real time through this pod player, and I have one of the videos and I will show how to do that. The rest settings is kept in the pod player as same as. Now go to one of the 2.1 sound. What should I put? Yeah. Yeah, this is okay, I will show. This video is basically AAC, which is another format. It has only 2 channels. Okay, this 2 channel is not Dolby Digital, and it will play as Dolby Digital through the pod player and send it to the Sony soundbar. Okay. If you want a good surround sound volume in the back, go to audio processing settings and increase the surround little bit here. Increase the surround little bit here, you will get the surround effect easily. Okay, so if you have pod player, it will play everything as Dolby Digital and send it to you the Sony soundbar. You don't need to purchase any other equipment to play Dolby True HD or Dolby DTS HDMA, okay, and Dolby Digital Plus. Everything will be converted into Dolby Digital and it will be played smoothly and crisply inside your Sony HD ST-DR. Okay, there is no other equipment needed. Only you have to purchase both. This is HDMI splitter. I bought this around for 2,500 rupees in Amazon, and this is Sony soundbar. The Sony soundbar is there, and I bought this for 13,000 in Flipkart. Okay, if you have both, you can easily enjoy any format with the using laptop pod player. Okay, the pod player is a very important player, and I will show another demo. What should I do? Put okay. Yeah, I will show Civil War scene. Okay, Captain America Civil War. See the Civil War. The Civil War format is as I has DTS only. Okay.
No, I can't. Believe it. Wanda, I think your revision ceilings.
I will show you again.
Okay, first, that's an exaggeration.
Menu.
Second, I did to protect you. Hey, Glenn. Hey, man.
Sending us Dolby Digital only. Dolby Digital.
Start 18. Just can't see the mess.
First time for everything.
Major love.
Multiple contusions detected.
Yeah, I detected that too.
Oh God. Hey buddy, I think you lost this.
a fight before, but there's usually not this much talk.
Alright, sorry, my bad. Guys, look, I'd love to keep this up, but I've only got one job here today, and I've got to impress Mr. Stark, so I'm really sorry.
You couldn't have done that earlier? I hate you.
Bring it. Yeah, heads up! He also said to go for your legs.
Anybody on our side having any shocking and fantastic abilities they'd like to disclose? I'm open to suggestions.